Question number 10. What is the vertex of the graph? So again, we have multiple ways that we could find this. We could take negative b over 2a, which would be negative 6 over 6, which simplifies to negative 1, and plug that into the function. So 3 times negative 1 squared, which would give us 3, plus 6 times negative 1 would give us negative 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3, plus 1 is negative 2. Our answer, therefore, would be A. This is the answer to question number 11. Which is an equation of the axis of symmetry of the parabola whose equation is? Remember, the formula for axis of symmetry is always x equals negative b over 2a. So we have b is negative 12. So negative 12 makes that positive 12 over 2 times 3, because that's our a value, so over 6. So positive 12 over 6 gives us x equals 2. So our answer is B. This is the answer to question number 12, which asks us what is the y-intercept of the parabola. Remember, the y-intercept is our easy peasy one to find. We always find a, b, and c when we originally look at the equation. In this equation, a is 1, b is 5, and c is negative 6. C, negative 6, is our y-intercept. So our answer is D. This is the answer to question number 13. This is asking us to find a true statement based on the equation. The answers here are all asking us about our x-intercept. So we could try to factor this parabola to see whether or not it factors and then to solve that way. Or we could plug in the equation into the y equals on a graphing calculator and find the x-intercepts on the graph. When we do that, you will see that the x-intercepts are located at x equals 4 and at x equals negative 2. If we had decided to factor this parabola, we would look at the factors of 1 times negative 8, which is negative 8, that add up to negative 2. Those factors are negative 4 and positive 2. So our factors have a negative 4 and a positive 2. So x minus 4 and x plus 2. But remember, when we solve our factors, it changes their sign back. So x becomes positive 4 and x becomes negative 2. So again, we get the answer C, regardless of which way we chose to work.